Imagine being able to go from this to this. You can truly pack everything you want thanks to tripped compression cubes. Now this video is sponsored, but my opinions are completely my own, and I actually already have a set of these from over a year ago that I love so much. So I already know how fantastic these are. Now these compression cubes will not only help you pack so much more, way more easily, but they do a beautiful job organizing your packing as well. And what you get is 2 smaller packets. These are great for smaller items, or I really like these for full day outfits, as I can usually fit a day outfit in these. But then you have your larger bags, and these can fit up to 8 outfits. And then you have your stuff sack. This is great for undergarments, socks, swimsuits. And finally, while on your trip, you can use this laundry bag to shove all of your dirty laundry. Now how they work is really straightforward. You just want to undo the one outer zipper, and then all of a sudden they become a much larger cube. And then you can zip open the interior and you can fill that up no problem. And you can fill as nicely as you want to. I'm just gonna shove some items in this one. And I think I just put 4 t-shirts and 2 pairs of shorts in this one. And it still could fit a little more. To compress it, you really do just find that extra zipper and zip it closed. And sometimes it can be a little harder depending on how well you pack it, but you just keep going around. And then once it's fully compressed, you can push it down a little more and just get a little more compression. And there you go. All of that in this one little bag. Let me do the rest real quick. And I can't get over how strong the zippers are on these. You can really yank on them, especially when you get it really tight, and they hold up so well. Now the big ones are way larger. They can hold so much more. And I could have packed even more in these, no problem. Like this one is still a little loose. And then finally, I'm shoving all these socks into the stuff sack. And as you can see, it still has plenty of room to spare. And there you go. This organizes my clothing in a way I never thought possible. It makes packing so much less stressful. I don't worry about forgetting things or things getting mixed up. It keeps everything organized. And then with the laundry bag, it is a little different. You do want to stuff, and then you want to twist this, and you just keep twisting. And then when you have it fully compressed, you just snap it together, and that acts as a handle. So whether you are traveling solo or have to pack for a family like I do, get these bags to help your packing experience just go that much smoother. Tripped compression cubes. Cannot recommend them enough.